is we're going to be creating the maze game. So this is the first game in Scratch Fundamentals. So you should already have it downloaded in your desktop. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to click on Create on the home page of Scratch. This will create a new project. And then you're going to see this blank page. So now you're going to go to File and Load from your computer. And you should see maze.sb3 and click on Open. Then click OK to replace the contents of the page. So now you will see the background of the maze game. The point of this game is for this ninja to reach the end, to reach the exit sign. So first we have to code. So for the ninja, make sure you have the ninja clicked on. You're gonna go to Events, drag out when flag clicked, go to Motion, and go to X, -203, Y, 140. So what this is going to do, this will set the ninja in this position at the beginning of every single game. So if you move it over here, click on the start button, the ninja will automatically go to that corner. Next part, we want to make the ninja move up, down, left, right, and So how we're going to do that, we need to go to Events and drag out when space key pressed. So click on space and change it to up arrow. Then we'll go to Motion and add point and direction 90. So you're going to put this right under, but we're going to change 90 to 0. Then we'll add move 10 steps under that, and we'll change it to move 5 steps. So what this will do, this will make our ninja face upwards and move up. Next thing, we're going to, since we don't want to duplicate, we don't want to do this every single time for 4 different arrows, right? So what we're going to do, we're just going to right click on the very first block using your mouse and click on duplicate. This will create a second copy of your block, and you're going to do this 4 times for the 4 different arrows. So now we have 4 up arrows, but we don't want that. So we're going to change the second up arrow to down, third one to right, and fourth one to left. Now we're going to make the down arrow point in direction 180. We're going to make the right arrow point in direction 90 and the left arrow point in direction -90. So this, and now if you start your game and you click on down using your arrows on your keyboard, the ninja will move down. You can click on right and left. But the problem with this game is that the ninja can just go through the walls, and there's no point in that. There's no point in the game if the ninja can go through the walls. So now what we're going to do, gonna go to Events and drag out when flag clicked. Then you're gonna go to Control, add a forever loop, then an if-then loop inside of this forever loop. Now inside of this trapezoid, you're gonna add touching color. Now we want the ninja to turn around if it hits this yellow wall, this outer layer of the wall. So you're gonna click on the color and click on this paint icon. This will magnify the screen, and you're going to zoom in to where the yellow is, so the outer layer of the wall, and click there. This will automatically take you to the yellow color. Now you're going to go back to Motion and add turn 15 degrees inside of the if-then loop, change it to 180. Then you're going to add move 10 steps, change that to 5. Now we're going to add another if-then loop from Control, but we're going to put it in between these 2 orange lines. So we don't want it inside of this if-then loop. So you're going to add it right here. So make sure that it only has 1 orange line at the bottom and it doesn't look like this. So you only want 1 orange line under it. Now, inside of this trapezoid, you're going to go to Sensing and add touching mouse pointer. So you're going to put that in there. Change that to Exit. So now, inside of the if-then loop, you're going to go to Looks and add Say Hello. Change that to Good Job, or whatever you want your ninja to say once it reaches the exit sign. Now after that, you'll go to Control and add Wait 1 second right under Say Good Job. Change that to maybe about Wait 2 seconds. So here, let's move this up so it's more organized. Now, right under Wait 2 seconds, you're going to scroll down in Control and add Stop All. So what this is doing is it's saying when the ninja touches the wall, it's going to turn around, because if someone bumps into a wall, they don't just stand there, they turn around, right? And then this is saying when the ninja touches the exit sign, the ninja will say good job, and it's gonna, after 2 seconds, the game will end. So let's try it. So I'm just using my down arrow to move down on my keyboard. Same thing for right, and down. And then you see how if it bumps into the wall, it'll turn around and glitch around. So just make sure your ninja cannot go through the walls. And try to get to the exit sign. And yeah, so after it hits the exit sign, it'll say good job. So yeah, that is your very first game. I hope you enjoyed.